I'm not asking just of you. And girl, to make it last, I'll do whatever needs to be done.
If I woke up like this was a person, considering how I'm looking from the hairline up. Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. This is like my first time filming in a couple weeks, so there's that. I have a wig review by a new company and it's called Lolly Hair. Let's get into this packaging. I can appreciate it, and green is one of my favorite colors, so I'm here for it. And this is gonna be something cute for this season. Before we get into the wig, let's get into what comes with it, because we love goodies, right? You get a wig cap. I'm assuming like this is like a wig hanger, and that's cute. I'm actually gonna use it for that. Yes. And then you get some clips and this pretty royal blue brush. I'm gonna have to keep that for myself, child. And we have a little glueless number. The wig comes packaged like this. It's already pre-plucked and pre-styled, and it is 14 inches, so I cannot wait to play with it. As usual, I'm going to give you guys a good in-depth review. I don't know if I'm going to take it into tomorrow, but it's 9 a.m. so I'm going to wear it all day for sure and come back later on. Oh, hold up. The bleached knots. Do y'all see that? Like, let me move my hand so you could really see. Like, do y'all see that? Child, we love it. We love to see it. This is how the inside cap looks. I think this is I'll annotate on the screen exactly how many inches of parting space you get on the lace. You get 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, adjustable straps. You get an adjustable elastic band, and look at the little touch. I love the little details. It's the little details for me. Nothing like a good smoothie in the AM. So let's try her on without adjusting it or anything. And I'm gonna rock her to the gym, y'all, because I'm getting ready to go to the gym shortly. So we gonna probably throw a hat on or something though. Okay, right off the back, it's giving a tad bit over bleached in the pluckerization. Like they plucked this child to the heavens. They plucked the hell out of this wig, and I'm here for it. I'm gonna go in and add a little bit of foundation under the lace because it's like that transparent lace. Oh yeah, this wig is not going nowhere, honey. Okay, nowhere. I like how it's like it's already real flat and everything straight out the package. It is styled, but child, I'm gonna definitely make it my own. Now we're gonna rock it like this to the gym because it is what it is, but I'm gonna make it my own when I get ready to step out later on this evening. Let's melt this lace. Now, come on now, not in front of company. Let's try out this new mousse. I will link all the products that I'm using in my Amazon storefront, but this is Aussie Instant Freeze, and it has a strength of 4 for the hold. So I was like, I feel like this would be a good little mousse to try out for glueless wigs. See, the way that this is given right now, it's given that it's gonna eat when I turn it to a side part. I'm gonna take a little bit of mousse and just, ooh, it's cold. I might even shift it a little bit to the side later, but let's see how she melts.
I'm not asking just of you. Got to make it last.
I'm going to take a black mascara just to fill in a little bit in the front where it is a little bit over bleached. And that's like, over bleaching happens, so that's nothing that can't be fixed, as you guys can see right now. That looks so much better. Then I like to go in and just brush the mascara out. Then we're going to get this parting together. I'm going to change it, I'm thinking, later. The middle part kind of growing on me, but 9 times out of 10, I'm going to change it. That's a 50-50 chance. I might leave it in the middle part. We'll see. Depending on what I decide to wear later. Because I have something cute I'm going to do or whatever. So, I felt like I need swoops for the look I'm going for. It's still glueless, you know. I haven't glued anything down. I am going to use my Got To Be to do my little swoops.
I'm not asking just of you. Got to make it last. I'll do whatever needs to be done. But I need somebody who will stand by me when it's time. She will always.
I just ran a little bit of water and ran my hands through the hair just to lay it, because I like how that looks, like the more relaxed curls. I like how that looks more. The prior clip I looked back at and I was like, oh no, she can't go out like that. I had to go in and add more foundation on top of this lace for it to blend more. So if you're of a deeper skin complexion, you're gonna have to work with the lace on this wig. But other than that, I love the style. The cut is absolutely gorgeous. And we're gonna get ready to go to the gym and work it out. And I'll talk to you guys when I get back. Hey y'all. It's the next day. Well, the next night. Y'all, I was supposed to come back yesterday evening and it is almost 10:30 at night. Get into it. Y'all done had me a drink or two, so don't judge me, but get into it. As you can see, I turned it to a side part and it 4+4, okay? It ate, okay? I ate this up. I decided to do something different and I basically just kept the same curl pattern that they had on this unit. So as far as the upkeep on this unit, I feel like it will be very manageable. I did sleep in it last night. I don't suggest sleeping in your units, whether they're synthetic or human, but you know, sometimes it is what it is. The cap construction on this wig is constructed fairly well. Now, if you have a smaller head, you're gonna have to adjust the ear tabs like I did, but other than that, it's a go. Light shedding. It tangled a little bit in the nape because I slept in it, but if I didn't sleep in it, I don't feel like it would have tangled too much in the nape. Granted, I did work out in this wig yesterday and it held up very well through my workout. Y'all, I'm a little buzzed, but another thing I wanted to talk about is the bleached knots. Now, I probably should have added some powder or concealer into this parting, but it was eaten. When I looked at it, it looked very natural. I didn't even do the mascara method over here to, like, I don't know, the bleached knots are not bleaching like that over here. Like, they're not bad. In the middle, I felt like it was a little bit over bleached, but on the side, perfecto. Like, it's giving, it's eating. I didn't have to do anything to the parting space. I'll add in clips so you guys can see this wig from different angles, and I'll have the price in a direct link in my description box so you can purchase this wig, because if you are looking for a nice everyday unit any season, if you're on your grown and sexy mode, girl, get into it. 14 inches body wave, glueless. Throw on and go. Need I say more? Shout out to Lolly Hair. I'll have all their information linked in my description box, like I said, as well as direct link to this wig, any coupon codes that you would want or need. Get into it. Let me know how you feel about this wig down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.